So we've got some more stickers for our sticker board. First off is Chris from Dream Steam. Chris is building a lovely small steam locomotive and demonstrates amazing hand craftsmanship. He recently completed his steam boiler. He made it look really easy. He did a fabulous job. Next up is John from John's Workshop. So John only recently set up his workshop in the last 1 or 2 years and does a variety of tasks including fabrication and machining. He recently refurbished his lovely surface grinder and has just started a flame licker engine build. Next up is Kevin from Machine NZ. So Kevin's from New Zealand. So Kevin does a variety of machining and model making projects. He recently finished building this lovely hit and miss engine, and it runs really lovely. He has the king of all machines in his workshop, a lovely shaping machine. Last but not least is Paul from the Knuckler's Workshop. So Paul has some really nice and to some degree unusual machine tools. I especially like his Adept Shaper and his BAC jig borer. He's restoring a lovely little Emco Unimat lathe and also an old Myford lathe. For those who don't know, a knuckler is a person capable of mending anything with anything, and usually found in Yorkshire. He's a canny knuckler, is our Paul. I decided to fit an anvil. I've machined a location in the milling machine and I'm using a piece of gauge plate. After drilling 4 3mm location holes, I heat treated it to approximately 55 RC. The same that I did with the jaws in my previous video. To fix it in place, I Loctited in some 3mm dowels. Filed them all flush. And gave it a final polish. Time for final assembly. Okay then, that's all the parts complete. So I've given these a coat of etching primer and then a coat of just auto paint. So the design is based on a Wilton Vice, and someone very kindly pointed out that I've spelt Wilton wrong. However, we'll just have to live with it now. So one thing I didn't show on camera was fitting this pin at the back end of the body, and that's to engage the slot on the nut. So the nut fits in like that. Just engage the key. So that is just shallow of the end of the body by 2 or 3 thou. Fit on the nut or the cap. Okay, so the screw fits in there, and then we've got the split washers which fit around there. Put some screws in. So the split washers fit into the groove. That's it. So we've got the base, and the T-bolts, so they fit in the bottom there. Okay. Got them lined up. Got the nuts on. I might make some nice little nuts with a toggle bar on here. Looks good. Put the shaft in. Gauge the screw. Get the key engaged. So it's got quite an acceptable jaw opening. Fit the jaws. And that's it done. One baby vise.